Okay, for this recording in the class that I would most likely be teaching, I'd be teaching the lower grades of elementary school, so I would show my class a simple process of doing a Word document. Coming down to mostly the bottom of your screens, you're going to have the Word documents link. Double click on that. It will get opened up here. While you're waiting for it to open up, you can explain to your class the project that you'll be doing again, just reviewing with them. The next thing you want to do is click on the blank document. It will open up. And this is where you're going to start typing, depending on the class and what you're doing with them. I would say the lower end would be even third grade. Third graders can handle a little bit more. Explain them up here is your settings for where you want the typing of the paragraphs to be. Left, centered, right, or evenly spaced. And then I would have them go ahead and go to the center and type the title of their paper here. And then once they're done typing their paper, you will come up here to File. You want to click Save As. And here you will pick your area you want to save it in. And just for here to show, I'm going to go my downloads. Click our class, and here I would have them type in my name of the paper. Click it. And then of course you would see that, and we are going to turn this into the recording for the screen program we're using. We'll click Save, and then the students will see up here that it does change to that. And so then when they are done, they can simply File again. And as I go along, just to make sure if they keep typing and doing some editing from here, they can just click Save, and it'll save everything as they go along.